In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a table from text in LibreOffice Writer step by step so you can turn plain text into a clean, organized table in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you have data, lists, names, prices, or any text separated by tabs or commas, and you want to format it properly without rebuilding everything by hand. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, on the left side under Create, click Write a Document. If you already have a file open, you can simply use your existing document. The important part is that the text you want to convert is already in the document and ready to go. Next, select the text you want to turn into a table. This is an important step because LibreOffice will only convert the text you highlight. So click and drag to select the lines, rows, or block of text that contains the information you want organized. Make sure you select the full section so nothing gets left out. Once your text is highlighted, go to the top menu and click Table. From there, look for Convert. When you hover over or open that option, click Text to Table. This is the feature that tells LibreOffice to take your selected text and separate it into rows and columns automatically. Now you'll see a settings window where you can choose the separator. This is the character or spacing pattern that LibreOffice uses to split the text into different cells. For example, if your text uses tabs, choose tabs. If it uses commas, choose commas. If it uses another separator, pick the option that matches your content. This part matters because the correct separator makes the table look neat and properly aligned. Take a moment to review the separator choice before continuing. If your data is not splitting correctly, it usually means the wrong separator was selected. So if needed, go back and double check whether your text is separated by tabs, commas, semicolons, or another delimiter. After that, once everything looks right, click OK. LibreOffice Writer will immediately convert your selected text into a table. You should now see your content arranged into rows and columns instead of plain text, making it much easier to read, edit, and format. From here, you can resize the columns, adjust the table style, or make other formatting changes if needed. But the main conversion is done, and you've successfully turned text into a table in LibreOffice Writer. And that's it. You now know how to insert a table from text in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.